Okay, so to start the makeup off look, depending on the amount of time I have, why did I say that so like hickish? Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is going to be super easy, super casual, because I'm going to be showing you how I get ready really quickly every single morning. This video may be very quick, kind of random and pointless, but I think it's very, very important to remember that what you see on social media and a lot of the time on YouTube is not real life. Not every single day is a full beat moment where you've got like 20 products on your face and you're just airbrushed and perfect all the time. That is not real life. I wanted to show you how I do my makeup 99.9% of the time when I'm not here with you on YouTube. Now, to make this video like incredibly accurate, we should probably be in my car because I get ready in my car every single morning outside of my work. But just due to lighting and sound and all that stuff, I'm going to be right here with you doing my makeup. It's going to be super quick, very minimal products, very minimal time spent. So if you'd like to see how I do my makeup like every single day, then keep on watching. Okay friends, I'm going to be using a few new products to me. I got my Ipsy bag like last month extremely late. There was absolutely no point in me actually filming an Ipsy video because my bag came in so late that it would have been pointless and not helpful to anyone to see what was in my April bag in May. So to try out the products, I'm going to be using them in today's video. I only got 2 makeup products in the bag, and then I also found this like adorable Patrick Star sponge at Walgreens last week and I want to try it out. He's really cute and he got so fat too. He's adorable. This collection is so hard to find. I would really like to have that eyeshadow palette, but I cannot find it. To start the makeup look off, I am going to go in and prime my skin. I'm using the Bobbie Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is just to hydrate a little bit very quickly. I'm not used to showing my real makeup routine on camera. Usually I'm trying to experiment a little, try new products and that sort of thing. So this is just what I do every single day. It's very underwhelming, but I'm glad you're here. Side note, this sponge is very squishy, very soft. Oh, I love it so much. If you were kind of on the fence and you thought they were cute but maybe not so functional, get the Patrick Star one because he is cute and functional. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. This month, it's a powder foundation. Usually it's a tinted moisturizer, but this month I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This is the like extremely overhyped foundation that everyone is talking about. And still, I'm like not a huge fan of it. I don't think it's really all that great. I go in with a foundation brush instead of that little spongy thing it came with. Mostly because I think this is like a little bit more flawless and it's quicker too. On the daily, I do not cover blemishes. I just put my makeup on and whatever is there is there. I do not take the time to spot conceal or even cover up my under eye bags. I just don't. It is so easy to get on social media every day and compare yourselves to this impossible beauty standard. I mean, even the photos on social media are retouched. They don't even look like that whenever they have a full face of makeup on. So I think it's important to put videos like this out there, especially for the younger audiences, because I know when I first started in makeup, I thought that if you didn't have like a full face of makeup on, everything on, then you just weren't presentable, and that's just not the truth, okay? You can still look presentable and put minimal makeup on. So far we've used 2 products. Next, we're moving on to blush. I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in Dolce Pink. And I go ham with blush. Personally, that's what I like to do. I go in with my huge fluffy my huge fluffy brush, and I just put it all over my cheeks, nose, etc. 99% of the products I'm going in with are from my May Shop My Stash bag, so of course I will link that video down below if you'd like to see it. I think it's the most recent video that I posted, but I did film it like a couple of weeks ago, so okay, that's our third product. I know what you're thinking. Why are you filming this video? I'm still not really even sure. Next product is highlighter. I'm going in with the Juvias Place Tribes Volume 3 highlighter. I love this highlighter. I put it on the apples of my cheeks because I like to glow, baby. I like to glow. Don't forget to boop the nose, my lips, and my eyelids as well. Woo! 4 products. The next product I'm going in with is my one and done eyeshadow that I picked for the month of May, and that is the e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade Copper Chic, and I just go in basically on my lid area and color that in just to give my eyes some definition. This look takes me about 5 to 7 minutes when I'm doing it in my car in the mornings. Minimal time spent on makeup. Okay, that is the 5th product. Most of the time, depending on the amount of time I have in the morning, I will go in with a liquid eyeliner. I just feel a little bit more put together when I have liquid eyeliner on, but please just do not feel like this is a necessary step, especially if like it kind of takes you a minute to do liquid liner and it could just like turn into a huge mess. I have been experimenting with my liquid eyeliner application for like, how old am I? Like 10 years. Oh my God. Oh my God. When did that happen? Okay. 10 years. So I basically know the shape I like. I know how to apply it pretty quickly. And because I'm filming another video after this, I'm going to just go ahead and put it on. Okay, number 6. Okay, for mascara, this was in my Ipsy bag this last month, and it's from Victoria Beckham. It is the Future Lash, okay? It's very heavy, very weighted. I'm kind of excited for this one. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, it's like a hair bristle wand, curved. Please don't be waterproof. Smudge-free lifting mascara. Let me guess, this probably costs like $50 retail. It's a very thick consistency for a mascara. Not liquidy and watery at all. I kind of like that, but it is very thick. Is it doing anything? Okay, Victoria Beckham, I see you. I like this. I like this one a lot. Very heavy, very nice quality. So I think I'll be using that in an upcoming Shop My Stash bag. Okay, so we have completed the eyes. I'm going in with eyebrows next. I use a eyebrow mascara gel. Very quick. I do not line anything. I do not fill anything in. I just simply run the eyebrow gel through my lashes, through my eyebrows, just to kind of fluff them up a little bit. If you don't do anything to your eyebrows, but you're kind of interested in starting, I would highly, highly suggest going in with a mascara for your eyebrows. I will link my favorite ones so far down below in the description box in case you're kind of like curious as to where to start or what you could like try out that's very inexpensive. They're both from the drugstore. I like them both a lot. Okay. The very last thing I'm going to go in, I'm done now, and this was also in my Ipsy bag. It's the Ofra lip gloss in Pink Panther. I really like the applicator. It's really big and fat. I really like those. And it's like a baby pink color. It does have a taste. I like applying a lip gloss or a lip cream because they're very easy to apply and you don't have to worry about taking your time to like line your lips and fill in your lips with a lip stick. So I've basically been going in every single day with something that's super easy, super quick. You just slap it on the face and then you're done. So, okay, and I have created my everyday easy makeup look using less than 10 items. They're all very natural, very easy to apply, but they make me feel put together and they make me feel beautiful. So again, I'm really sorry if this video kind of seems like, duh, why would you film that? Like, it's kind of a pointless video in this day and age, and okay, fair enough. But like I said, I think it is important to know that social media is not real life. It is okay to just have a very minimal, natural daily makeup look. Something that is very easy and requires minimal fussing to make you feel beautiful and well put together. So, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!